Hi learners, welcome again on our productive platform. When we talk about our traditional data center, you all know that we have number of infrastructure inside our data center, which include physical switches, routers, firewalls, servers, and lots of other stuff which is implemented inside our traditional data center. When we are going with the implementation of virtualization, in a same manner we required some important components for the deployment of virtual machines. In this scenario, here on the screen you can see that on the first step we require compute, which include your memory and processor, while on the second phase you require storage, where you can store your virtual machines and other related data related to the Hyper-V. And at last you require networking, I mean your virtual switches for the purpose of connectivity with your physical infrastructure and for the purpose of connecting your virtual infrastructure with your external network. When we talk about the Hyper-V deployment, so there are three major components. The first one is compute, the second one is storage, and the third one is network and security. Let's check the availability of all three components before going with the implementation of Hyper-V. So here you can see that where is my server? So here you can see that I have storage volumes available inside my physical host, and I have number of volumes with the terabyte capacity where I can store my virtual machines. And if we are going to check with the compute option, so here you can see that I have two physical processors available with multiple cores on my host machine, and in the same manner I have 128 GB of RAM available, which I can allocate to my virtual machines during the implementation of Hyper-V. So two major components right now available. The first one is compute, which include processor and memory, and in the second phase we also check that we have storage options available, but the third one which is really important for the purpose of connectivity is missing right now. So we are going to configure our virtual switching infrastructure. So after that we can easily go with the implementation of virtual machines. So let's move with the implementation of virtual switches and explore what kind of options are available for the purpose of connectivity when we are going with the implementation of Hyper-V. So let's move with the implementation of virtual switching infrastructure in our Hyper-V host.